Hello, I'm Minjun. Now I'm going to demo the second part of the assignment. I provided an implementation of the Assignment 1 design using Java Enterprise Edition. There is my code, and this code is the login page. Saying the theme of this time is not login and registration interface, so I just made a login button to simulate the process of logging account. After logging, you can after login is successful, you will enter the main page, which has three row buttons to simulate logging the three different row accounts. There are landlord, themenet, and manager. And click on different button will lead you to different pages. Landlord can view rental information, upload rental information, and leave a message. And tenants can view rental information and leave a message. And manager can view rental information, upload or delete rental information, leave a message, or delete messages. Now let's run the program completely. Login page. Okay, this is the login interface. We can simulate to login process to login press. So you can enter the username and password and login. In fact, if you click the log account without enter the account or password, you will jump to the page either. This is just a simulate. There is the main page with three buttons here. We first click the landlord button, and the landlord button you can at the top of the page you can enter the rental information like room number, location, and price. So let me enter some. And okay, we have two rental information here, and of course, if you enter blank, and it will trigger a warning. and you can leave your message here, like how are you, and it will display here. Now back main page, and this now let me enter tenant, and tenants can view rental information here, and you can view the message from another account here, and you can leave your message too, and like I'm fine. Okay, and now the manager can see all the information in the software, and you can manage all the information here, and you can manage all the information in this software. And you can enter the rental information, like Dublin 1, Dublin 2, and prices. And you can leave your message here, like hello everyone, and a manager can delete the rental information and the message, like this. Okay, that's all. This is the my assignment to a demo. Thank you so much.